Hello guys, in today's video we're going to talk about how to create and customize websites on Ecwid for digital music and sound effects business easy and quick. So as we know, Ecwid is a tool that helps people make online stores. It's like a special computer program that lets you sell things on the internet. It's easy to use and can be added to websites or social media pages. So if you want to sell things online, Ecwid can help you do it without too much trouble. So the first thing here, you have to sign up for free. So let's get started. Okay, so after you sign up, automatically it will take you to the dashboard. Okay, so as you see here, this is the dashboard. And here we're gonna set up your websites and storefronts. So click here, set up your websites and storefronts. Now it will take you to the editor page. We now go to the settings and go to the templates and select the templates which you want to use here. So for the digital music and sound effects business, I'm gonna choose this one here. So this is the music topic. um, Use this template. So you can change something here. So this depends on your business. You can change everything if you want. So start with the header and the menu. Go to the site logo and enter here your site name. After this, you can manage the navigation menu. So you can delete all this menu items here and add yours. um, After this, you can enter here the contact information. So in the design, you have to try your best to make your site look attractive. So don't forget the simple details like the font, okay, and like the size, like the color, and you can also add the frame outline. So that's it. Now let's move on to the cover and the headline. So here you can change the title and the description. You can keep it if it matches your business, for example, like the sound effects, like if it matches the sound effects business. And also the image, you can change it. You can keep it if it matches your business. So if you want to change it, just go to the browser and search on digital music and sound effects. Okay, so you can choose one of these images here. So for example, so I think I'm gonna just skip this one here. If you wanna change, you can choose one of these images here. So this depends on your business. So I'm not gonna change this one here. Okay, so in the design, choose your favorite layout, and don't forget to change the color and the title design and the description design. So all this simple stuff is important. So let's move on now to the next section. So here you can use this space here to talk about your experience, your business. Why should your customers buy from you or use your services? Something like this, and you can tell something about your company information to your customers. Okay, the quality of your business and something like this. Now let's move on to the next section, the store section. Okay, so here you have to create your product, so you can manage the products. So if you want to manage the products, go back to the dashboard and go here, add your products or services. Now as you see here, go on new product. Okay, so here you have to add the products gallery, name and the ref and the weight on kilogram, description of your product, and the prices options of your product. So after you're done, save this place, this section here, and go back to the editor and complete here the design of the background and the title, the product name, and the product image. So that's it. Now let's move on to the next section. Okay, so here You can change the title and the subtitle and the description, also the image. So you can do whatever you like. So this is like depends on your business, like the same thing as normal. So here you can talk about what your company offers and why what the customers uh, benefits from this business. Okay, so in the design, nothing special. Choose your favorite layout here. Okay, so let's go back. So the same thing here, so I'm gonna skip this one. Okay, let's move on to the customer reviews. So here you have to add the the review text. So you can delete all this and you can add your review text, the author name and the rating, and also you can add the image. So after this, change the design. Okay, so I'm gonna select just this simply one. Now let's move on to the delivery information. So here you have to add the title and the subtitle, and you can talk about the delivery informations here. Okay, you can keep it if it match your business, if you like it. Now let's go back. Let's move on to the contacts. So the same thing as normal, you can add the title and the description. After this you can change the image if you want. The address here, you have to enter your business address, your exact postal address or plus code. You can enter the daily hours, and of course you have to enter the contact information and the social profiles. And in the design here you can choose your favorite layout. Okay, so you can choose your favorite. I'm gonna choose this one here of the map in the background. So here you can scroll to zoom all the map and you can put the location just like this. So it's simply better than the other layouts for me. So after this you can change the, you can design here these sections here. So don't forget this simple details, it's important. Now let's move on. Let's move on to the last section here, the footer section. So you have just to enter your company name for the copyright. You can also, if you want to just hide the footer, you can hide it from here. Okay, so that's it. If you want something new, you can just click here, add section. You can select what kind of sections you want to add on your homepage. Okay, so before you publish your website, you can go to the preview and verify if something needs to change. Okay, so if after you verify, you can publish it. Okay, now your site will be published. So now you can start selling, you can start your business. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end and see you in the next video.